Hello everyone, my name is Gage Jones and I'm attending a computer science software engineering class here at Gull Lake High School, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to update Linux Ubuntu. So first you want to push Control Alt T and it'll pop up this, and then you want to put in sudo apt update, which will update it, and then you just put in your password. And it won't like write your password, but it is typing it even if you don't see it. And then it'll update all this. And then once you do that, you can next do sudo. You can do sudo apt upgrade. Or another way to do it is just pushing the up arrow and then deleting the update and then doing upgrade. And then just do that. Then it'll upgrade, and then you just put Y for yes. And then I'll upgrade everything. And then the next thing you want to do is a recommendation is to get rid of unneeded packages. So just put sudo apt auto remove, and then it'll remove all the unneeded files. And then after you do all that, you should reboot. So you put sudo reboot, and then it'll reboot your OS. And then we just wait for that. So now that it has popped back up, we're just gonna click on your name and then put in your password, and it should load up. And it worked. We're all good. And now I'm just gonna power off, and yeah, and then just power off. And now we're gonna go over how to back up. So to back up, you need to make sure you have some kind of folders. So I like to use file management. So I have it in virtual machines, Linux and Ubuntu, and then there's OS and backup. So we just put in the backup. And you can see I have two backups as of right now. I have one from like a week ago and one from a couple days ago. And then, so we just go here, we copy all of this, or you can just push Control A, and then you push Control C, and this is for a virtual machine. And then over here, create a new folder. So we're just gonna push this folder, and then we're gonna put today's date. And then once you're done with that, you just go into it, and then paste it. You can either go here or push Control V, and it'll copy all the folders. And once that is complete, it'll should look something like this, and that's how you do that. And for everyone who has a NAS, you can go to your browser, go to your NAS, and then and a good reason for updating it to your NAS is for if your hard drive ever were to break, you would have it somewhere else. So here we have a NAS, and then which is a network attached storage, and then you, and then we also have files here, and then you just go to and then you just make a file for backup, and then you can see we have one here, and you can just back up everything here. And here we have some notes for our how to update. If you need further instructions, it'll be on my website, which is in the description of my YouTube channel. And then I also have Linux command user, which is user commands, so things you can do. And then there's a whole bunch of them, and they'll also be in my Notion on my website. And a bunch of reasons for updating your operating system is especially because it can fix problems with a previous update. Like, let's say they made it so a hacker can get in easier. An update would hopefully patch that so that way they couldn't get in as easy anymore. And then they have fixes for bugs if there was something wrong with it, and they have new features a lot of the times. So it's always good to make sure you're up to date on updates, and that is it. Thank you for watching my video.